The sulphur-crested cockatoo is one of the most iconic birds in Australia, with its bright white feathers, powerful grey beak, and striking yellow crest. This cockatoo is impossible to ignore. Found across much of eastern and northern Australia, these birds are known not only for their beauty, but also for their loud calls and remarkable intelligence. These cockatoos can often be seen flying in large flocks, especially early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Their calls echo across forests, farmlands, and even busy cities. Unlike many birds, sulphur-crested cockatoos have adapted extremely well to urban life. They are commonly seen in parks, gardens, schoolyards, and even on rooftops. One of their most fascinating features is their crest. When excited, alarmed, or curious, the cockatoo raises its bright yellow crest as a form of communication. This visual signal plays an important role in social interaction among the flock. Sulphur-crested cockatoos are also known for their long lifespan. In the wild, they can live up to 40 years, and in captivity, some individuals have reached over 70 years of age. This long life allows them to form strong social bonds and learn complex behaviors over time. Their intelligence rivals that of young children. These birds are excellent problem solvers, capable of opening bins, doors, and even complex locking mechanisms. This intelligence, while impressive, often brings them into conflict with humans. Sulphur-crested cockatoos inhabit a wide range of environments across Australia. Traditionally, they lived in open woodlands, forests, riverbanks, and coastal regions, where tall trees provided nesting hollows and safety. These birds rely heavily on large eucalyptus trees, which offer both food and shelter. Tree hollows are essential for breeding, as cockatoos do not build nests. Instead, they reuse the same hollow year after year, sometimes for decades. As cities expanded, cockatoos adapted quickly. Urban parks, golf courses, and gardens became new feeding grounds. Human activity unintentionally provided food sources, including seeds, fruit trees, and even food scraps. This adaptability has allowed their populations to remain strong, but it has also created new challenges. Cockatoos are often labeled as pests due to their destructive behavior on buildings and crops. Despite these conflicts, their ability to survive in changing environments is remarkable. Sulphur-crested cockatoos are among the most intelligent birds in the world. Their large brains allow them to solve problems, remember locations, and learn by watching others. This intelligence plays a key role in their survival. These cockatoos live in strong social groups called flocks. Within the flock, they communicate constantly using loud calls, body movements, and visual signals. The raised yellow crest is one of their most important forms of expression, showing excitement, warning, or curiosity. Play is also an important part of their behavior. Cockatoos are often seen hanging upside down, chasing one another, or manipulating objects with their feet and beaks. These playful actions help young birds develop coordination and problem-solving skills. One well-known behavior is their ability to open rubbish bins and containers. In some areas, cockatoos have even learned different techniques, depending on the bin design. This knowledge spreads through the flock, passed from bird to bird. However, their intelligence can also lead to trouble. Bored cockatoos may become destructive, chewing wood, wires, or buildings. This behavior is not aggression, but a natural need for stimulation. Sulphur-crested cockatoos are mainly herbivores. Their diet consists of seeds, nuts, fruits, roots, and berries. Their powerful beaks allow them to crack hard shells that many other animals cannot. In the wild, they spend many hours each day searching for food. This activity is usually done in groups, offering protection from predators and increasing success in finding feeding areas. In urban environments, their diet often expands to include human food sources. While this helps them survive, it can also create health problems and increase conflict with people. Social bonds are strongest during feeding times. Cockatoos often eat together, share space, and watch for danger. If one bird senses a threat, the entire flock reacts instantly. Breeding pairs form long-lasting bonds. During breeding season, both parents help protect the nest hollow and raise the chicks. This cooperation increases the chances of survival for the young. Sulphur-crested cockatoos are currently not endangered, but they still face many challenges. Habitat loss, removal of old trees, and urban expansion reduce the availability of nesting hollows. Human conflict is another major issue. While these birds are protected by law, they are sometimes viewed as pests due to noise and property damage. Education is essential to promote peaceful coexistence. Protecting mature trees and creating artificial nest boxes are simple ways to help support their populations. Responsible interaction and respect for wildlife ensure their long-term survival. These cockatoos remind us of the intelligence, adaptability, and resilience of nature. Their presence in cities shows how wildlife and humans can share space when managed wisely. From forests to city streets, the sulphur-crested cockatoo remains a powerful symbol of Australia's natural heritage. End of documentary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more documental stories like this.